Stop looking for motivation. Seriously, stop. You are looking for a feeling, and feelings are the most unstable foundation you could possibly build your life on. You wake up, you check your motivation levels, and if you don't feel inspired, you decide that today isn't the day. You think you're being honest with yourself, but you're just being weak. Motivation is a chemical spike. It is a moment of excitement that gives you a brief illusion of power. But what happens when the adrenaline wears off? What happens when the gym is cold, the project is boring, and the progress is invisible? Motivation dies. And when motivation dies, you stop. That is why you are still in the same place you were 6 months ago. You are addicted to spark, but you refuse to do the work required to maintain the fire. Discipline, on the other hand, does not care how you feel. Discipline is the ability to ignore your internal narrative and perform the task anyway. It is the ability to do the work when you are tired, when you are stressed, and when you would rather be anywhere else. People think that successful individuals are always motivated. That is a lie. Successful individuals are simply disciplined. They have built a system that operates independently of their emotions. They have removed the choice. When you wake up, you don't ask, "Do I feel like working out?" You work out because it's 5 a.m. You don't ask, "Do I feel like writing today?" You write because that is what your schedule dictates. You stop being a slave to your moods, and you start being a master of your routine. If you want to be elite, you have to kill the part of you that needs to be ready to perform. You are ready because you show up. You are ready because you have a plan. You are ready because you have decided that your goals are more important than your comfort. Kill the search for motivation. It is a waste of time. Replace it with a rigid, unbreakable discipline that carries you through the days when you would rather quit. That is how empires are built. That is how results are earned. I am Keto Wolf. Stay disciplined.